wakikushukuru kwa uwepo wa SGR, amani kwenye mipaka yetu na afya iliyoimarika kwa viwango vya juu zaidi. Karibuni.
With a poem entitled Mr. President, Moi Forces Academy, pleasure. 10 years is a long time, working without a break, working without a holiday. Yes, Mr. President, you have worked tirelessly, you have done your best, you have played your part. Leadership is not easy. We appreciate you. May God bless you. For 10 years, you strived to excel. Focused on your vision, you worked on the roads from the city to the village. Your work is clear. And to crown it all, the Nairobi Expressway is wow. It's a joy to behold. We are proud to be Kenyans. May God bless you. Mr. President, allow me to share my wonderful experience. Oh yes, unforgettable. My journey by train, the SGR to Mombasa. The experience was great. For a few hours there, I thought I was in London. Thank you, Mr. President. We really appreciate. Mr. President, and all those who helped you, thank you. Thank you for CBC, the competence-based curriculum. I am more exposed now, my talents discovered, my future sorted. I am a global citizen, no more stress, learning is fun. Thank you, Mr. President. May God bless you. Mr. President, the patron of our school, allow us to boast a little. The KDF has done wonders. Look at Ndizi Stadium, talk of Kisumu Shipyard. As for the Nairobi Metropolitan, your general has excelled. And above all, the peace on our borders is something to be proud of. Thank you, Commander-in-Chief. Dear Mr. President, the Commander-in-Chief, we salute you. But allow us to call you Father, for like a father you have worked. The healthcare has improved. Our mothers are now safe as they add more citizens. We appreciate your care, your love and concern. You had a great vision and you gave it your best. Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, just by watching you, we have learnt a lot. Focus, determination, leadership with a vision, and above all, we love your eloquence. Thank you for the 10 years. We shall miss you. Thank you.
Tuwape makofi tafadhali wanafunzi hawa.